All right, nice little nature trail. Doing a little, yeah, it's a nature slash, I guess, well, it's not really hiking, but it's a nice little nature trail right here. Down here in Jacksonville, Florida. So, going out that way. Oh, hold on, let me switch this up, get a wide angle. Going out this way, it's closed up. I guess they're doing some repairs over there because the gate is locked, but it's like, you can see it over there. It's like a nice ocean view. Trying to look between the trees here. Yep. Yeah, it's kind of slanted right there. They need to fix it up. So it's closed for repairs. Sailboats out there. The sun is killer. All right. So just finished up 5K plus again. Sunday. What's the day? The 7th or the 8th? All right. Nice little walking trail, nature trail. And then it turns into a hiking trail on the other side because the bridge, this little pathway ends. Make it right here. And zoom around. All right. Look like a video game. So this is what I'm going to do right here. Let me see if I can get a good angle. If I can get a good angle, we good. Where's the camera? There's the camera. Get some dips in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 3, 2, 1, and 10. All right. Got some quick dips in there. So that's my plan for this trail. Every time I hit a bench, I'm gonna get a military count workout in. All right. Come up to another bench. See what we got. Make sure we in view. All right, let's go. Slippery. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 1, and 10. All right, another one down. All right.
Find the hood.
Let's keep it moving. All right, this is where we go off trail. All right, these are the type of animals that's in here. You got a manatee, and this is considered the wetland. A whole bunch of birds in this area. All right. Got to be careful on this trail because the roots is like creating a path for you to follow. So I ran it last week, but it was like I was doing toe tapping ladder drills because I was tiptoeing through all of these different roots that's coming up through the ground. So you just got to be careful when you're running rough trails like this, path trails rather. All right. Nice looking trail though, nice and clean. All right, we got another bench right there, but it's surrounded by poison ivy, so I'm not taking no chances. So back to another wooden trail, back to the wooden trail, the bridge. I think we got when I ran it, I just blew through it. So I think we got a couple of more benches. All right. Going around the curve. All right, might need some pruning. These big old vine looking bushes is coming out onto the trail itself. And guess what I just found? I just found another bench. All right. Back to the tricep dips. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 1, and 10. All right. Wrap that one up right quick. This trail actually leads out to a RV park for all the large, small, medium, and large recreation vehicles. All right, crossing over another bridge, and we got another bench right here. So it's time to hit another workout. Set up my phone right there. Get in view. Let's get them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. There's another 10 military count to give me 20 reps. All right. Back on the trail. Halfway, rather. Now we're going off-road, back to the rough terrain. This trail, going all the way around, is actually 0.5 miles. All right. There's another small branch. Like I said, they got that poison ivy around there, so I'm good with that. All right. And it's gonna come to the end of the trail right here, and it leads us into the recreation vehicle park. That's one of my retirement goals, to get me one of these big monsters so I can travel in it. I like the driving one, not the one that attached the third wheel.
Find the hotel.
The trail goes off back here as well. That's the little relaxing hut if you want to get out of your RV and come chilling here away from the kids. I like it because it got the screen up, and it also got indoor ceiling fans in there to keep the mosquitoes out. All right, got a little swing bench over there. Then you got a nice view of the ocean view out there again. All right, got another little bench back here, a little picnic table, and let's see. Let's cut through. Looking nice. You can see, got the ceiling fans in there. You can chill out in. Got the nice little table. Just say if you don't want to chill in your RV, you can come out here and chill, or come in here and maybe even eat dinner with your family. All right, going out the other end, back to the front. All right, plenty of parking. That's great. And they have the septic tank hookup, so you can get rid of your waste. All right, pretty nice. It looked like, from the last time I was down here, it looked like they actually expanded it. So nice wooded area. They even got a spot up here to park your motorcycles. That's what I like. Another off trail. So if you're a loner like me, got a bench over there in the cut, but I don't know who's gonna sit out there. They trim that up. It's a huge area. Big one. I'm trying to see if they got one here I like. Most of these are the campers. Yeah, majority of the campers. People out walking their dogs. Pretty nice, I like it. And there's the motorcycle parking area. I can actually put my bike over there, chill out. And you got the little outlets over there. Different stations. That's a smaller version right there of the one that I like. And that color scheme, like in that license plate, Old Navy, booyah. All right. Yep, doggy area. And another swing area, chill out. Patio deck over there. Oh, there go the big ones back there that I like right there. This right here is the laundry area. So you do have a laundry facility to do your laundry. All right. That's the front version of that to go in. Hold your little trailer hitch over there. Got the RV wash station right there to rinse your RV off. Of course, you got the dumpster to dump your trash. And that's the name of the facility right there.